Welcome back, everyone. Remember, this is a safe space. What's said in this room stays in this room.
Hi everyone, I'm Chad. I still check moisture content twice, even when I know it's kiln dried.
Hi, Chad.
I smelled a board at the yard the other day. Didn't even realize I was doing it. Just lifted, inhaled. My wife says I don't even look at her the same way anymore.
I trusted a lumber shipment once. I said it was straight. Turns out it wasn't. I'd rather not talk about it.
And that's okay. You don't have to.
Sometimes I wake up and I can hear phantom cupping.
I still think of those words. Minor variations.
Well, you're all amongst professionals here, which is why today we're proud to introduce the Wood Grain Club. This month's drop includes some of our favorites. Warped Shipment. It opens hopeful and ends logistical. Scope Creep. Subtle tension with a long finish. Big Box Regret. A little twisted pine, fluorescent lighting, and of course the return desk. 12% or we walk. Clean, stable, emotionally secure. Each box includes a luxury candle, a pocket-sized moisture affirmation card, and a reminder that yes, wood heals. Ships April 1st. So before we close, does anybody else have anything they'd like to share?
I still smell every board.
There is no subscription, no candle, no emotional support lumber. Tim, he's not even married. Just premium hardwood that shows up straight, properly milled, and ready to work. Happy April Fools. Advantage Lumber. For professionals that don't need a support group, just better wood.